In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix device limit reached on Amazon Prime. If you're seeing the device limit reached message on Prime Video, don't worry. This usually just means your account has too many devices signed in, and you can clear it up in a minute by managing your devices. Start by logging into your Amazon account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click Account and Settings. This takes you to your main Prime Video settings page, where you can control things like playback, subtitles, and most importantly for today, your devices. On the next page, select Devices. This section shows every device currently signed in with your account. You might see phones, tablets, laptops, smart TVs, streaming sticks, and even browsers you've used. It's common to find old devices you no longer use, like a previous phone or a TV you set up at a friend's place. That's often what pushes you over the limit. Before you remove anything, keep in mind that the device limit depends on your subscription. Prime Video Mobile Edition allows one mobile device. Prime Video Lite also allows one device. Prime memberships that come through third-party providers typically allow one or two devices. And a standard Amazon Prime membership supports up to 5 devices in total, including up to 2 TVs. So if you've hit your limit, it's simply because your current sign-ins are at or above what your plan allows. To fix it, find a device you no longer use and sign out from that device to free up space for a new one. Choose something you recognize as old or inactive, maybe a device you replaced, a work device you don't use for streaming, or a TV you no longer have. Confirm the sign out when prompted. This doesn't cancel your membership or affect your account. It just removes access on that specific device. Keep in mind that anyone using that device will be signed out and would need to sign in again to watch. After signing out, try your new device again. If the error still appears, give it a moment and refresh your Prime Video app or browser. Sometimes it takes a short time for the change to sync across Amazon servers. That's all you need to do. Managing devices directly from account and settings keeps your list tidy and ensures you stay within your plan's limits. And when possible, periodically check this page to clean up old sign-ins so you're ready whenever you add something new. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Amazon tips and tutorials.